This isn't just a farm. It's a massive papaya empire holding thousands of trees. Workers harvest only the perfect fruit. A single bruise means instant rejection. Fresh from the field, the harvest races to reach the cold processing plant. Welcome to the facility. Over 50 tons of raw fruit arrive here daily. Automation takes over. Machines dump the fruit, starting a hands-free journey. First, the power wash. High-pressure jets blast away every speck of dirt. Soft bristles scrub the skin, cleaning deeply without bruising the delicate fruit. Human eyes take over. Expert inspectors reject anything less than perfection. Lasers measure every fruit, sorting them by size in the blink of an eye. Ready to shed their skin, the papayas ascend into the peeling chamber. Inside, steel claws spin the fruit while blades strip the skin in seconds. Efficiency is key. Skins drop for recycling. The orange gold moves on. Workers slice the fruit in one fluid motion, revealing the seed-packed core. High-powered vacuums extract thousands of seeds in mere milliseconds. A bubbling sanitization bath washes away bacteria and stray seeds. Enter the dicer. It transforms fruit halves into thousands of perfect cubes instantly. Razor-sharp blades slice with absolute precision. Every cube is mathematically perfect, a mesmerizing river of orange gold. 5 tons pour out every single hour. Lasers scan for defects. Air jets blast away imperfections instantly. Only the premium fruit ascends to the massive cooking vats. The hot zone. Giant stainless steel kettles are loaded to capacity. Sugar and water blend into a thick syrup, the key to long-term. Boiling syrup penetrates the fruit, infusing sweetness and tenderizing the flesh. Science defines taste. A single drop confirms the perfect sugar concentration. Upside down, cans get a high-pressure steam blast. Hospital-grade sterile. The volumetric filler drops the exact amount of fruit into every can. Hot syrup floods the can, forcing out air to prevent spoilage. The double seamer. It crushes the metal lid shut in a fraction of a second. A hot water shower washes away sticky syrup, leaving the cans spotless. Robots stack the sealed cans into massive steel cages for the final cook. The retort room. These giant submarines are actually industrial pressure cookers. Door locked. The temperature inside will now soar to kill all bacteria. Suddenly, cold water floods the chamber, shock cooling the fruit to save texture. Jet engine air blasts strip every drop of water from the metal surface. Zip. The machine wraps a vibrant papaya label in the blink of an eye. Robotic arms grab 12 cans at once, packing them with tireless precision. Geometric perfection. The robot stacks the branded cases for stable transport. A tight cocoon of plastic secures the load, waterproofing it for export. The vault. Over 1 million cans sit here, waiting to feed the world. Journey complete. From tropical tree to breakfast table, the global supply chain moves on.